slippery in here. It's slippery. Little detail.
Hey, maybe I could adopt one.
Duke, I love you, man, but you are barely house trained yourself.
Yeah, true. Hey, you guys should go see Snowball.
That's a good idea. He helps all kinds of animals.
And he does it in a cape. So, you know he's a hero.
Garbage truck!
Get out of here!
Beat it! Sorry.
We have to yell at it to leave, or it'll just stay there.
This place would be wall-to-wall garbage trucks and mailmen if it wasn't for us.
Serious topic. Poop. Nothing funny about poop, especially at my age. Anyway, you want to keep doing your business in different parts of the house. In the club, under the rug. Get creative with it.
Man. All right. Keep it down. No barking. Okay, well, no barking. Go ahead. Y'all can let it out. All right, stop now. Hey, you over there. Why are you so nervous? You need to be walked? What? Welcome to the secret headquarters of Captain Snowball. Now, I know it looks like a typical little kid's room, but that's just because it provides the perfect cover for my superhero activities. Also, it is a little kid's room. You know, I really hope you puppies are clean.
Good luck, puppies! And just remember, whatever happens, I will forget about you by tomorrow. I'm sorry.
Good luck, puppies! Be careful!
And don't eat anything weird off the sidewalk.
Check out my bug pack!
Yeah, a flying road. You can go home now. You've officially seen it all. Follow me, guys. I'm yet to lose a single puppy. And I know it. Come with Josh. Some of us get boxes. Some of us get super cool high-tech drugs. This is Captain, you filthy mutts. What do you filthy mutts do?
Some of my best friends are cats! Oh, my ears! Wait! I love cats! Ow! Oh, my tail!
Ladies and gentlemen, your journey has paused temporarily. Boxes will resume motion shortly.
No! Some of my best friends are cats! Oh, my ears! Wait! I love cats! Ow! Oh, my tail!
Ladies and gentlemen, all vehicles will resume motion momentarily. Please remain seated with arms and legs inside the vehicle. Once again, all vehicles will be resuming motion momentarily. Please remain seated with arms and legs inside the vehicle.
Strap myself to a rocket. These rockets gonna get us to the pet store twice as fast. Change plans. I'm just gonna strap myself to a rocket. We made it! Was there any doubt? I mean, honestly, there should have been. This plan is crazy. It shouldn't work.
This is gonna be great! You're gonna be all clean and fluffy, and you're gonna get adopted in no time.
Remind me why I'm helping you help this again?
Oh, I didn't notice that.
No! Cash, please let me go! What do you say?
Oh, really cute.
Thank you.
Look, there's so much already! What do you think?
Let's do it.
What? Anything? Like, oh, thank you.
You know me. I just get back home. That's all I do. You're welcome.
Woo, what fun! Let's all do it again!
You're welcome, people.
It's a celebration!
Welcome. As you return,